Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When you are placing controls into forms and reports in Design View, you will often need to select, move, align, and space the controls. In this lesson, you will look at the ways that you can accomplish these tasks. Before you can perform any of these tasks, however, you will need to be able to select the controls that you have placed on the form. To select a control, simply click the control. It will appear with a thick orange border with 8 small squares around its perimeter. To select multiple controls, you will need to click the first control that you want to select, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and then click on the other controls that you would also like to simultaneously select. When you're finished selecting the controls, release the Shift key. Another way to select controls is to simply click and drag your mouse starting in the blank area of the form, and as you click and drag you will see a selection area appear. Any form or report control that you touch with this selection area will be included for selection once you release your mouse button. To deselect controls that you have selected, simply click into the blank area of the form. If you have multiple controls selected and simply want to deselect a single selected control from the group, then you can hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and then click the control that you want to deselect to remove it from the group of selected controls. Now, if you're using Layout View, then you can use the click method of selection for the form and report controls. However, you cannot lasso them with the selection marquee. When selected, you will not see any of the small squares that appear around the orange border of the controls like you do in Design View. Now this is normal. Note that you can still move, align, and resize the selected controls in much the same way in either view, regardless of the minor superficial differences in the appearance of selected controls between the two views.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.